A very good day, everyone. Hopefully all of you are in good health. Today, it is with the great pleasure that I can introduce myself to all of you. I am Heong, Associate Professor from Faculty of Technical and Vocational Education, University Tun Hussein of Malaysia. And I also have a head of a program for the Doctorate of Education since 2014. Okay. I'm also a principal researcher for Center of Research Sustainable Professional Education for Excellence Development, COR-SPEED. Over the year, I have gained for the diverse range of the working experiences. I have served as a graduate service officer at Mara Junior Science College at Greek Perak for 3 years. Subject matter expert, e-tutor, e-grader, invigilator for the final examination at Open University Malaysia, industry practical supervisor for the undergrad project, master, PhD thesis supervisor and examiner. In addition, I have worked as a professor consultant at High Order Thinking Skills Inventory, Multiple Intelligence Tests, and the Learning Style Inventory. Besides that, I am a member of the editorial board for the Proceeding Research and Innovation in Technical and Vocational Education, REVAC. I'm also at the head of the laboratory in 2014 until 2016. Currently, I'm secretary for the Association of Malaysian Researchers and Social Service, AMRAS, a TRIS Level 1 instructor for the Malaysia TRIS Innovation Association, my REVAC, and registered as a HRD Corp trainer, a registered professional technologist for the Malaysian Board of Technologies and Work, and member of Malaysian Science Council, MRN. And then my academic experts include social science research methodology, especially in experimental research design, quantitative research approach, and analysis data with variety statistic tests, problem solving skill, high order thinking skills, learning style, teaching style, modular approaches to the teaching and learning, and the 21st century skills and approaches. So, I'm success a complete 32 research grants since 2007, and now it is working for the 3 ongoing research grants. I published over 175 journals articles, teaching modules, books of the chapters, and the copyright in my area of expertise. So today, I'm very thrilled to be one of the speakers for the Quantitative colloquium on 23rd and 24th May 2023, and one of the trainer for the critical section on the topic Quasi Experimental Research Design on 18 October 2023, and I extend a warm invitation to all the students, especially postgraduate students and academicians, to join this fantastic and fruitful events. So thank you for your attention, and I'm looking to connect with each and everyone for you very soon. Thank you.